to another video. So in this one I just want to give you guys a bit of information. Obviously if you guys follow me on social media, then you'll understand that I've obviously added a few brand things to the car, changed things up a little bit. Obviously if you don't follow me on social media, it's on the screen now. If you don't have Instagram, I'm going to try and set up a Facebook page, although I don't really use Facebook very much. So yeah, bear with me, I've just finished work, hence why I've got a hat on, so we're going to jump straight into it. Right, so as you can see, back bumper is starting to make a bit of a progress. This was done yesterday. Obviously I'm not sure on what I'm going to do else on this back bumper. I do have a few things in mind, so I am going to play about with that. I am going to put black around the plate on the back, because the way I'm thinking about it is this gold in the sun is quite reflective, so obviously I don't want the lights, LED lights at night underneath, to shine on it and obviously not be able to see the plate, because I'll probably end up getting pulled. So yeah, enough of that. As you can see here, we've got a piston logo brand for the back of the car, basically to brand the car. It's done in obviously by Static Decals. He's done a cracking job on these as always, and as you can see in the sun. This is just a slight little bit of sun, it changes colour. It is a glitter effect. So this is the actual brand logo. This is going to be on the back of t-shirts, which are coming soon for those of you guys that did vote on that poll. I have got some on the side here, as you can see, some smaller ones. As you can see, same glitter and whatnot. So this is going to be the channel brand. This is going to be the channel sticker. The usual ones that you guys can buy are in red. However, I will be doing special giveaways where the R and P are in different colours, just obviously to represent you guys, obviously winning at a certain, say, giveaway or something like that, which there is a giveaway coming soon as well, by the way, at 5k. I've got some lights and such that I need to give away, so yeah. And then the next bit we've got here is Sunstrip. It is a little bit dirty, it is dusty, but as you can see, it's all been redone. YouTube Sunstrip. It's done in the same glitter. I don't know if you can just see that there. As you can see, it does shine at night properly, like there, look, as you can see. But yeah, it does shine at night. It's the same glitter that's on the RP on the sides and such, to match the car. I've got some other things planned as well for this front end. That will be, stay tuned soon. Intercooler hopefully is coming very soon. It has been ordered, so there's going to be an install video on that. So yeah, this is just an update video for you guys. There's plenty more content coming. Obviously you guys voted for the t-shirts and that to have some branding. They're in design as we're speaking now. They're going to have Rusty Fat on the left breast, which is the same as what my channel name is, like in the italics sort of stuff. And on the back it's going to be this RP logo, obviously not too out of proportion. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you guys for watching, sincerely appreciate it.